Hello, this is Holly from Inspired to Sew, and I want to talk to you about the Mike Johns event we have coming up on December 5th for a one-day event, or December 6th and 7th, which is going to be a two-day event. The one I'm going to focus on today is the IQ Designer, which is the two-day event. When you come to the two-day event, you're going to be able to learn more about the IQ Designer. So a couple things that you can do in there is, with the IQ Designer, you're going to be able to scan in images and digitize it directly on the screen. One of the things that I really love to do with the IQ Designer is create my own quilting stitches. And so I'm going to kind of take you through the process of how I do that here. So this is the main screen for the Solaris, and I'm just going to go into the IQ Designer here. I'm going to go in and select a different stitch, or I can select no outline stitch whatsoever, which is what I want to do. And then I'm going to go in here and just select an object. So I'm going to just do a square because I'm just doing a typical quilt block here. Although you saw all the other sizes there, shapes there. I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to increase the size of my square to about 9 inches. And what I can do here is my different fill stitches. So right now it's just going to be a solid satin stitch fill. I have a stipple fill, which is what we used on this quilt here. And you can see on this quilt we were able to actually outline the different embroidery designs on each block within here. So we were able to, in the IQ Designer, take out the embroidery stitches and just have it stitch around it. So, but today I'm going to show you all of the different pattern fills that we have. So if I go in there and hit select, you can see all of these come built in on the Solaris. So I'm just going to pick one here. Oh, I really like the clamshell, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that one today and hit that. And I want a fun color just so you can see it nice pop. Then I'm going to use my fill stitch and just click right in there, and you can see, voila, it is in there as a fill stitch. And let's say I want to do a little bit more editing. I can then hit the next button, and that's going to give me a couple different options. I have my resizing, and then I also have my angles. So I can come in here and I can angle it however much I want, and it's going to show it directly on the screen. If you want to learn more about the IQ Designer, please give us a call to sign up for the Mike Johns event. See you soon!